Hey guys, I just wanted to come on really quick and teach you 2 quick phrases in Spanish, and I bet you've heard these before. The first one is Feliz Navidad, which means Merry Christmas, and the other one is Próspero Año, which means prosperous year. And that's how we wish somebody a Happy New Year in Spanish. We don't say Happy New Year, we say prosperous year. And so, this time of year, I really like to stop and reflect and just really be thankful for everything I have. And, I've been all over the world and I've seen how bad things can get. And so I know how blessed I am. And as I've been reflecting over our first year on the language tutor, I am just amazed at the amount of support that you all have given to me in this new channel. And we've grown so many subscribers. We're gaining several hundred a month. And I just want to come on and just say thank you for a great first year on the language tutor. You guys are watching the videos, you're listening to the podcast, and we're just very thankful. And so I wanted to take a minute to come on and wish for all of you and all your family and all your friends a very Merry Christmas, a Feliz Navidad, and a very Happy New Year, Próspero Año. And a lot of times on the podcast, I end it by saying, I wish for you and yours paz y bendiciones. And that's what I wish for you. Peace and blessings this Christmas season. Feliz Navidad y Próspero Año.
Friends, thanks for watching The Language Tutor. If you have a question for me, feel free to leave it in the comment section below the video. And please click subscribe and the notification bell so that you'll never miss any of our language lessons.